Welcome to the Cooking Dad 242 and
Family!
today we're making turkey bacon sandwich.
Mmm!
So good.
So delicious and juicy.
Now we're adding turkey bacon.
Is this pork? Ham.
No, it's not ham. It's turkey bacon. Now I'm going to add some brown sugar.
It's going to be so sticky. And you have to just let that caramelize.
Oh yes. Then add some water to make it spread around.
And smear all the bacon through it. Wow, look at that brown sugar turn into caramel.
It reminds me of Laffy Taffy.
Oh yeah. So sweet.
It is.
Who knew the brown sugar could ever make caramel?
Yeah, that's where caramel came from. Look at this, guy. Oh, so good. Oh, wow. Now I'm adding some spring mix and baby spinach.
Ooh, sounds good. Yep. Let me try it.
Sky, you like it?
Yes.
I gotta rinse it, then pot dry it with a hand towel.
But it tastes a bit dry.
Yes, I'm gonna make a simple sauce for this right now.
That would make it taste even better.
Oh yes. Add some mayo.
1,
And
2.
2 scoops. Some black pepper.
And some salt.
Oh yes. Sky. Okay, you got the salt? Okay, that's enough. That's enough. There you go.
You guys know what it's time for. Squeeze.
Lime squeeze.
Kind of squeeze that lime.
Come on, Sky, you do it. You can do it.
Whoops.
Squeeze it hard. Squeeze it hard.
You drop it.
Sky, come on. Come on. Okay, good. I get it now.
Ooh.
This is how you do it. You squeeze it hard. Squeeze it hard like
Wow, that's a
man.
lot. Wow. That's a lot of lime juice.
Yes.
And if your sauce is getting too sour, then just add more mayo.
And sugar.
Look how creamy that is.
Sky, you like it? You like it, Sky? You like it?
It's pretty good.
Now I'm gonna toss it up. Toss it up.
Actually, the tosser is Rafaela.
She is.
Yeah.
She's a good tosser. Even as I don't think that's a word. Eh? Juicy tomatoes.
Juicy potatoes. Do I have to get tomato on my sandwich?
No, it's optional.
Good. I don't like tomatoes.
But I like it. Sorry.
I don't like tomato, but I do love ketchup.
That's where ketchup came from. Tomatoes. Some sweet bread. Brioche bread. Nature's own. And smoked turkey breast.
Oven roasted turkey breast.
That's right. 1, 2, 3,
4. We need more.
2 more. 5, 6.
6. That's it.
There you go.
Oh, my favorite part.
Yes. I like
The
this.
caramelized bacon.
Yes. I love it.
Oh, is the sandwich done?
No.
I want mine now. Adding another layer?
Yes, this is where the salad goes. tomato wheel, and some that famous salad made by.
Raffaello.
Oh, so
Yay.
good.
Wow, look at that salad. Raffaello, you did a pretty good job.
He did.
I did excellent.
Time to slice.
Oh man, Daddy, that looks so good.
Taste it.
Nice and juicy.
That looks delicious.
The bacon.
Oh, so good. Now look at it. Look at this, guys. Look at this.
Oh my goodness, oh, wait to take a bite out of that.
I can see the bacon in the turkey.
So good. Thanks for watching the Cooking There at 242 and
Family.
later, guys.